best car for a phone, even though your pockets, right?
And it's the best car for a body scan.
My red car.
Kelly got black wheels of this. But
My car better than his, but I don't have it.
no, that's my car. You have this. You have this.
I have a yellow Lamborghini and that red car.
That's
But
my red
wheel-
car. That's my red car.
I had it before you.
No funny.
That's my red car. That's Kenya's car. That's Kenya's car. But you still run my red car. That's Kenya's house. I bought it with my own money.
I had it before you.
You stole it.
It was in my house, so.
But it was my car. I drove it, so I was coming to your house.
I drove it before you.
Still doesn't matter. You drove it before me.
It's not your car though.
Daddy, he says that.
If it's in someone else's house and you drive it, is it your car?
No, what if somebody drives it?
And what if the person's not at your house? That's basically your car.
Angel, what you got that?
Guess what game I got? Let me take off my body cam.
You call yourself what you